My name's John Spinks, Senior Principal Technical Marketing Manager for Red Hat Insights. Today I'm going to share with you one of the newer features that we have, which is a pre-conversion analysis for converting a CentOS 7 system to Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This is a feature that we're going to use hand in hand with an actual conversion. But before we begin that conversion, it's suggested that you take a look at the system, do this analysis, and we can let you know ahead of time if there's any major issues that might cause your conversion to be problematic. So this is a really simple way to evaluate systems at scale and look at them inside of Red Hat Insights. Let's take a look. So I'm going to start by going into the Hybrid Cloud Console, and I'm going to go into Insights. And currently within my inventory, I don't have any systems that are systems that I need to convert. So I'm going to connect to that system right now, and let's take a look at it. All right, just to make life easy, I'm going to go into root here because I'm going to convert this system over. In order to get this system connected to Red Hat Insights, there's a few steps I need to do. First, I'm going to get the GPG key that I need from Red Hat. After that, there are some client tool repositories that I'm going to need to install on the system. And then I need to install some packages from those repos. These packages are Subscription Manager, Insights Client, RHC, which is Remote Host Configuration, and the RHC Worker Script. Some of these may have additional prerequisites that they'll install. So there are little components of Ansible, for example, that we're going to put into place, some Python, things of that nature. So give it a moment to complete, and then we will have all of the packages that we need installed on this system. After that, we connect the system to Insights. We're going to use a command called RHC Connect along with an activation key and my organization ID. That activation key is going to take care of all the user password type credentials. So we're going to connect ourselves first to Red Hat Subscription Management. That way we'll have access to any of the Red Hat repositories that we need. Then we'll connect ourselves to Red Hat Insights. And Insights is the bit that's going to do the analysis. We've also activated our remote host configuration daemon. That's what's actually going to do the running of the analysis. And now we're all ready. We should have this system present inside of Insights. Let's refresh my inventory here. And here is that brand new system that we just connected to. It is identifying itself as a CentOS Linux 7.9 system inside the inventory. I don't get any additional information here that I can see. It's just the general facts about the system. So now I'm ready to actually do the analysis. From the menu, we're going to go into the Automation Toolkit and then select Tasks. We'll use the pre-conversion analysis for converting to RHEL. Let's run that task. You can do many systems at once. I've only added the one system so far, so that's what I'm going to start with. And then we'll execute the task. Once the task is started, click that View Progress button, and it's actually going to sit here and run its analysis. This will take probably about 12 minutes to finish on this particular system. So we're going to fast forward a bit and we'll see you on the other side. So we actually got this finished faster than I expected. It took us about 7 minutes. In this case, it's telling us that, hey, the conversion cannot proceed. Let's actually take a look and see what it found. Minimize this left nav bar. Expand out the information. All right, so our first thing is an inhibitor. This is what's actually stopping us from performing the upgrade. Invalid kernel version detected. Okay, so in order to continue, we need to update a newer version of the kernel and reboot. Cool, it's a thing we can do. There's also a warning that we've got some updated packages that are detected, 44 of them that are not up to date. So we can just run yum update and take care of the rest of this. The other bits of information are just informational. So this is a great check for us to do. So yeah, if we had tried to just go straight to converting the system, it would have failed. So what we can do here pretty easily is think a yum update is going to take care of pretty much all of this. So I'm going to run a yum update, reboot, and we'll be back in a minute. So again, we're going to fast forward a little bit and come back when this is completed, and we'll rerun this analysis one more time. So I just did a yum update to everything, which is going to give us our new kernel as well. So now we'll reboot the system and we'll rerun this analysis. So back in the Insights console, I could go through the tasks menu again, but up at the top here, I have a run task again button. I'm just going to tap that. It's already pre-selected my host, and we'll execute the task. So again, this is going to take us, last time it was about 7 minutes, should be roughly the same. So we'll fast forward and see you back in just a couple minutes. So this time it only took about 5 minutes to run, and at the end we had a success. No problems are found. The system is completely ready for a conversion. So to recap, what we've done here is we took a system that's a CentOS 7 system. We added it to Insights by installing a couple packages and then connecting it to Insights itself. And then we ran our pre-conversion analysis to see if the system was ready to convert to RHEL. First time we ran it, it wasn't. Needed a few updated packages, a newer kernel. We just ran a yum update, reran this pre-conversion analysis, and now we're ready to go. So that completes this particular video. You can do this at scale. I only showed you a single system. You could put in a whole bunch of systems at the same time and get all the results here on your screen at once. Hope this has been helpful, and see you in the next video.